Hi, Tweetie here. We've got links in the description, we've got plenty of playlists, and we now want to talk about keeping a secret code book or a key to unlock the future, whichever way you want to look at it. We suggest that every time you go onto a website or someplace that needs you to enter a password, that you write them down in a special book. But write them down in a code that you would know, like the date and time, somebody's name, put the numbers backwards or forwards or like 2 times something else, and just make a secret code for every single link and password you need, and that way you know. Also, for security's sake, when you're playing and roughhousing with your sweetheart or your kids or something, have a special word like banana peel. If it happens to be something that's starting to hurt them and they want you to stop right now and they're serious, they can say banana peel and you will stop instantly. Or they can say it, they can be playing with you and you can say banana peel and they will have to stop playing or doing whatever they're doing, and it's a safety measure. Just a couple of tips to help you think about security. Anyway, if you like this tip, give us a thumbs up. If you want more, subscribe. Glad you stopped in. Angels all around. Bye now.